I recently flew business class on Delta Airlines Delta One class from Detroit's DTW Airport to Paris's Charles de Gaulle Airport. The plane was an Airbus A333 jet, and I was in seat 5A. The flight was part of a cruise package, so I was pleased with the quality of the business class cabin. Each passenger has their own individual cubicle that is set up in a herringbone configuration. There was plenty of overhead storage for everyone's luggage, with room to spare. When you arrive, your seat looks like this, with a blanket, pillow, slippers, and amenity bag. Water and a menu is set up on the side table, and headphones have a hook to keep them out of the way when not in use. There were outlets for USB ports and electronic plugs, as well as the headphone jack. There is a panel for the operation of the seat/bed and a removable remote control for the television monitor. You had to push a button to have the monitor slide out into a viewable position. Delta always has a mass of choices for entertainment, including movies, TV shows, music, and games. The table was a little tricky. I struggled with it a bit, but once I got it unlocked, it folded out to a respectable size and moved forward and back. The slippers were somewhat flimsy, but I found them very useful when using the airplane's toilet and was glad to have them over a pair of socks. The amenity kit included a toothbrush, toothpaste, a little bag that contained hand cream and lip balm, earplugs, a pen, and a sleep mask. And it all came in a little pink pouch that I purposely left on the plane. The armrest slid up and down to get it out of your way when sleeping. They had a pretty decent menu with quite a few choices, including the gluten-free one that I had pre-ordered. They also gave you the option of getting your food all at once, so you could go to sleep as soon as possible, which I definitely wanted to do. The bed was quite comfortable. They gave you a bottom pad to lay on the seat, a fairly large pillow, and a quilt for a blanket. I'm 5'5", and when laying flat, I still had about a foot of space below my feet. I've been on other Delta One flights where they had a door that slid shut for full privacy. This plane did not, but I still felt like I was in my own cocoon. I would definitely fly them again, no complaints here. If you'd like to follow my senior and solo travel journeys, please click subscribe below. Cheers!